I've had a problem with my hip for almost 2 or 3 years. It's steadily got worse and got to the point where I found it very difficult doing really anything. And consequently, because the consequence of that, I had a problem with my right knee and so on. So I then went for a hip replacement here in the hospital. The operation went incredibly well. The room was perfect. The service was very good. I was wheeled down to the hospital, to the actual surgery place, and the surgeon introduced himself, explained what was going to happen, and then I was put under anaesthetic, came out and basically wheeled up here to my room, and it was very, very straightforward. Everyone was explained exactly what was happening, very clear about what was going to happen to me. It was excellent. I'm back to everything with the exception of running, but that's to be explained. That was explained to me early on. There's too much pounding on the joint itself, but I'm doing kettlebell workups. I'm going up and down the stairs. I'm cycling. I'm walking. Everything basically is back to normal, and the movement on my left leg is the same as it was on my right leg now. 100%. And also, in fact, I have a neighbour who has got a bad knee. I'll recommend him straight away to look at if it's possible for him to come over here and do this. It's very straightforward. It's an excellent system.